Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys, I want to share a video with you on a wheel cleaner that I found in Aldi. It's a 4-pound wheel cleaner and it's a sort of a iron remover or fallout remover, but it's not advertised as one. So let's just see how it works and if it's any good or not. So let's get into it. So let's shake this product up. Oh, feels like a gel. Oh, it does smell like an iron remover, to be honest. Now we're just gonna rinse it off and then dry the wheel. Very impressive. Don't get me wrong, the wheel still has some dirt here and there, but that was 1 week worth of brake dust. Let's try to agitate it on a different wheel. So now we're gonna do a contact wash on this wheel. Now the only downside of these cheap Turtle Wax wheel cleaners are the trigger sprays. They break really quickly. However, the chemical itself is very good. Although it's not advertised as an iron remover, it certainly feels like one, it smells like one, it kind of acts like one as well, and it acts quite quick. So it did clean the wheel very well, so I'm kind of impressed by it. Even compared to very expensive ones, it's not as probably as good, but it still did the job. It cleaned the wheel really well. It brought that gloss back, so this is at least a good wheel cleaner on its own. Very impressive for a wheel cleaner of that caliber. Thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.